What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing with our custom mix series with a very simple spray out today, guys. As usual, I got a fender prepped up behind me. We usually two-tone it with RUSTOLEUM colors, shoot a pearl, a flake, or a candy over top, and then we create a new interesting color that you guys get to decide if you love it or you hate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. Well, today, like I said, I got my fender prepped up. And we're going to do one side with gloss white and one side with gloss black. And what pearl, flake, color shift? Well, RUSTOLEUM color shift in a can, guys. This is rainbow flake in a can. Shimmers from all different angles. It says best to use over black, but you know us. We can't just read the directions and go with it. So we're also going to try it over gloss white. And then we're going to shoot some really cool 2K clear over top. And then we're going to take it out in the sun and see if we really can't create a really cool paint job using pretty much all RUSTOLEUM stuff other than the clear. So without further ado, let's get into two-toning this fender behind me and let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our RUSTOLEUM fender based in gloss black and gloss white. It can't be any simpler than that, can it? And then now I got this RUSTOLEUM color shift in a can, so it's like a rainbow flake in a can. As far as how much I'm going to do today, I have to do a light coat first. I want to make sure I ain't going to get any reactions. And then I'm just going to keep doing coats till I get a really cool effect out of it. And then we'll move on to clear. We'll seal everything with some 2K High Solids Finish 1 clear. And then take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm really excited to see what this stuff does. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is after the first coat of the glitter. You can't really see it too much over the white, but over the black, yeah, it's coming in pretty good. And this is pretty much one coat, so if you just wanted an effect, this would be great right here. But you know me, I can't stop at just a simple effect, so we're going to go full scale with this, and I'm going to see just how much we can get out of this rainbow flake effect. Alright, so this is after 2 coats. You can start to see it a little bit. You see the specks at least, and that's kind of common with flake, especially over lighter colors. You get that salt and pepper effect, but look at this effect over black, man. That is crazy. I can't wait to get this out in the sun after clear coat and see what it does, but I'm still not done yet. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see it on there. You see the texture, but you don't really see the sparkles over the white. But over that black, boy, look at that. We are rainbowed up, guys. This is definitely a crazy effect. And I can't wait to put some clear on this and take it out in the sun, see what we got. Alright guys, so we got our rainbow color shift from RUSTOLEUM laid down. And now I got some Finish 1 clear coat mixed up on V-bore gun. 1.4 tip. Shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, as usual, we're going to do a light coat first, just make sure we don't have any reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats, get it nice and glossy, and then we'll take it out in the sun and we'll see the final results. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so RUSTOLEUM Color Shift Rainbow Glitter Flake. Say that 5 times fast. Over that white though, that was a surprise, man. It looks beautiful out in the sun when you see it hit. I did have a bug fly in it right when I was filming it. That sucked, but it is what it is. And over the gloss black, well, you can see why they said put it over gloss black. You get that full rainbow treatment. But what do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. RUSTOLEUM Color Shift in a spray can over top of gloss black and gloss white. Now over the gloss black, you can see why the can specifies to shoot it over it, because it gives you full transparency of the rainbow flake and it really pops out in the sun. However, over this gloss white, you get a little more subtle effect, but it's still a really nice rainbow pearly effect, especially when the light hits it, and it's really cool. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between, guys. If you want to spray with this crazy RUSTOLEUM Color Shift Rainbow Flake, I found it at Walmart. I'll try and include links in the description. If nothing else, the clear, the paint gun, everything else I use will be in the description as seen on YouTube. You click that link, it takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything we use on the channel there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they had to offer. If you made it this far in the video, guys, please hit the subscribe button. It helps us out tremendously. We're trying to continue growing so we can keep doing crazy spray outs like this. And go back and check out some of our other videos. I got almost 100 spray outs. I've been doing this for a little over a year now. And yeah, there's always something cool when Whitley Auto Works. But I appreciate you for watching today. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.